it's a very common thing, right? I mean, there are issues in terms of quality and things like that, and predominantly a product manager or anybody, I mean, it's not just the product manager, but anybody in the business organization would also tend to push certain things out as against building new features as such. So my response to that would be a lot of times, right? I mean, based on experience that I'm saying, that a lot of times people just don't invest to get to the meat of the problem. And a lot of times the problem is really straightforward. I mean, you can't be running a product organization or a product as such, which has got something that can't be fixed very easily. I mean, take the example of the car that you might be driving. The mechanic will always be saying that, sir, rene do, next time you'll get it done, and a lot of these things. But if you just hang in there and just stand next to him and try to be able to go to the meat of it and try to find out the problem, and that's the time where you'll become a lot more comfortable stating that, okay, there's somebody who's given me a justification, and this issue can wait, and I can get it sorted by this guy at a later point in time. But the problem that really arises is that there's nobody who's communicating to the customer that it's been looked into, it's a minor issue or it's a major issue, and this is what we are going to do, And that requires no engineering resources. I mean, the solution, you work on it, you'll get it done and things like that. But at the end of the day, I think that it's the responsibility of a product manager to be able to at least communicate that back. And it's the irresponsiveness that irritates the customer the most.
I think just acknowledging that, yes, we have a quality problem that we're trying to have a plan on. I think Altaf said, I think that's a great starting point for engaging with the customer.
I just want to add one comment here that engineers love to add features to a product. PMs also love to add just to keep the conversation balanced. Everyone likes to add features to product. I have seen only once in my career a PM who came back saying that, can we just decide to kill this product, right? Which is, by the way, very interesting conversation to have. Okay, if you are developers or if you are PMs, make sure that you have ability to collect back data from the product. It just improves the maintainability of the product. We killed one feature in our product simply because we are getting more escalations, and every single customer who used that had one or other escalation. And only 2% of our entire 400,000 customer base was using that particular feature. It just didn't make sense for us to kind of stay engaged in that feature. So while it's great to add features and prioritize and everything, also have that healthy debate where you want to kill some product lines or kill some features.